And another day, another break-even. So quickly, I will try to analyze, make this more something of a market conditions price action, really. So, as we see here, we are just popping higher. If we come to the 4-hour, we made with Sunday, we made here an SMT, and we are just slowly but surely coming higher. And then we go to the 15-minute, and easily what we see here is that today I was kind of bullish. I was bullish because here we didn't create an SMT that told us that we will just be pumping higher, but we came down here and we know that we in the higher time frame we're bullish, and here we came back to equilibrium. If we make the 50% here, as y'all can see, we came back to the equilibrium of the zone. Then in the 15-minute we inversed this obvious 15-minute fair value gap up, and let me clear this SMTs, and we were just pumping higher. So I was looking for trades. I didn't really find anything that was really interesting to me, but around here we created this data highs, and what many people could have thought was something like this that I'm gonna show now. Oh, okay, we came to this 15 minutes and we created this. Let me just adjust this. We came to this 15 minutes and we created this SMT here with the S, and now we are just pumping low, and we made a change in the state of delivery. So we are gonna just rip off to these equal lows below. No, that didn't happen. What? I shouldn't forget that this is, I don't know what is happening here. What ended up happening was that I kinda needed this part. What happened, and if we come to the 15-minute, we will see that here we have a higher time frame changing the state of delivery. The 15-minute changes the state of delivery. So we came up. We know that we are bullish in the daily, in the 4-hour, in the 1-hour. We know that we are bullish in the 15-minute. We came back to the change the state of delivery here. We came back also to this 15-minute inverse. We rebalanced to equilibrium, and what we do after we rebalance to equilibrium, retest the change in the state, and as well we left data highs, 10 a.m. data highs, as we can see when we leave a big pronounced that has a different size than the others. This week is really places out on the others. We are really bullish. So what I was expecting was to inverse these 2 minutes and just pump to the equal highs, no, to the data highs. But the problem here was I ended up being stopped at break even. I entered in the retests of the zone. My stop will be the close below, and this will be my TPS, and as we can see, it would have worked out. But my stop loss, I think, not my stop loss, my break even. I went break even after we ran this high. It doesn't look like a high, but if you go in the 1 minute, it looks like a high. And in my opinion, we were really supposed to pump here, but we start lefting some LRLR here below, LRLR above, and the market starts chopping a little, and we still hadn't inverted this 15 minute. So it was natural that the market will have some problems going up, but I didn't really understood that, and I went to break even because in my opinion it was really supposed to pump, but it just didn't. So if it isn't pumping and I think it is supposed to pump, it's better to go break even, because in this position I should have already won. It shouldn't come to my position, and if it comes to break even, my psychology will start to buff a little and I will just panicking. So it's better to go break even, which is what happened, and I'm really fine with that. When we ended up going break even, I kind of knew we would still go to the Zeta highs, and the break even didn't save me, which I said that the break even saves me when my trade got stopped at break even, and we ended up closing below the universal gap. We had to go into the TP, which means that it would be a loss if I hadn't put the break even order. But yeah, we got stopped. I got stopped break even. It's okay. It's something to learn when we have a lot of confluences. I didn't know all these confluences. I just told about the CAST. I wasn't looking to this. I looked at this change the state of delivery, but we was chopping a little. So I really hope that when we stopped this chop below, I thought that we will have a bigger pump. That didn't happen because of the 15 minutes. So, and we didn't have an SMT here, which would make me go break even before. So this was a really good trade, also an A plus, which something that would have been even better was this one. We pumped a lot, then we retraced again to this change in the state of delivery, we retraced to this 1 minute order block, then we just pumped so high, and we came back almost to the equilibrium in this leg. Not almost, we came back to the equilibrium in this leg. Then we inversed this in just 2 weeks. In just 2 candles we made a V shape. This trade was just insane. But I didn't take it because I was already in the 2 minutes, and I wasn't expecting, when I'm in a trade, I'm not expecting to get another one, which is something also to start learning. So the entry will be around here, this will be the stop loss, and this will be the last TP. This will be the first because it was already 1 hour. In my model, with my size, this will be a 3 trades, a 3 contracts trade, which would mean that this will be the first TP, this will be the second TP, and right here will stop, will be break even, and this data high will be the I can mark it to be easier to look. This data high would be the last TP, and we will not be stopped at break even until we go to the third TP, and this will be a really banger. This would be like the bangest of them all. Today the PA was really good, the market was easy to read. I just I was there, I thought a lot about it. I read really good the markets, but we had also some trades before that I didn't take because I wasn't really interested in taking some shorts, and some people shorted here, which wasn't that bad, would be decent. But these longs, I really needed to take these longs. And something that I can learn is look at this change in the state of deliveries. Maybe wait for a change in the state and then wait for the confirmation like this. This we inversed. Then we made another change in the state of delivery. It's something that I really need to learn, but I think it is clicking. It just doesn't make sense. It is clicking. It is different. The way that I look at the market at the moment is really different than before. I have already said this before to me, and it didn't. I didn't say it clicked before. It was just different. I think I improved it, but now I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I'm saying this and tomorrow I'll take a big loss. It can happen. It's part of the game. But the way I read the market is really different. And with that, I end up the trade recap of today, just to say that here it was understandable that someone would think that we would go bearish, but everything was looking bullish for today, and we ended up bumping the market. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Yeah.